Welcome to eloomi. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of feedback, included with our all-in-one learning and development platform. Feedback enables your users to quickly request feedback from colleagues, managers, and even external stakeholders, whether on demand or as part of a structured HR workflow. When integrated into your workflows, users are guided to request feedback at key moments, enabling holistic performance reviews and providing rich insights throughout review periods. Managers are provided an overview of their team's feedback, showing how often it's given and received. They can review pending, nudge users with outstanding requests, and can also initiate requests on behalf of their team. Your leaders also have the opportunity to gain insights into their leadership qualities, areas for improvement through manager-focused feedback, helping empower them to develop their leadership skills, enhance team dynamics, and support their development. Admins have the flexibility to create custom feedback templates with drag-and-drop functionality, whether it's for 360 feedback, leadership reviews, competency assessments, or project feedback, allowing for tailored feedback experiences that match your organization's unique requirements. By incorporating feedback, your organization will gain actionable insights into team performance, identify key strengths, and target areas for growth, leading to more engaged teams and better results across the board. Be sure to check out our journey workflow and people development tours for deeper dives into our platform.